Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and do week 4, module 4, another Java programming beginners course slash tutorial. And I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. All right, so as you can see, I already have done my project 1 and 2. So we're going to jump into it at project number 3. And it asks for complete the following below and use a scanner class for input. A soft drink company recently surveyed 15,000 of its customers and found that approximately 18% of those surveyed purchased one or more energy drinks per week. One of those customers who purchased energy drinks, approximately 58% of them prefer citrus flavored drinks. Write a program that displays the following: approximate number of customers who purchase one or more drinks per week, and the approximate number of customers in the survey who prefer. Okay, so now that I finished up typing up the code, you guys got to see a closer view. I'm going to go ahead and run it and see how the program works. Hopefully it works and we don't have to make any adjustments. And we'll go from there. So let's jump back into NetBeans and let's pull this up. All right, so Alright, so we have our code. It doesn't look like, oh, we have one error. Take that out. Now we don't have any errors. Let's go ahead and run it. Okay. So approximate number of customers who purchase energy drinks per week was 2,700. Approximate number of customers who prefer citrus flavored drinks, 1,566. There you go. As you can see, everything works. The build was successful and no errors. So just to go over, we have our scanner up here. Then we add our scanner in at the actual code section. We got our first variable. That's how many customers, the total customers. And then we're calculating the approximate customers who purchase energy drinks. And here is our formula. So basically tells the computer what to multiply to get that total number. Then again, I added more comments just so for future reference, if you need to go back to your code and edit anything, you know which lines do what. This one calculates the approximate number of customers who prefer citrus flavored. So from the prompt, we have 58%. So that's where we get to 0.58. And then we just plug that into our formula. So energy drink consumers times the percentage of citrus flavored preference. And so now we display our results in the output. For the output, it's always going to be system out, print line, and then you're going to enter what you want printed out in the output. So you see I have this really long sentence. If you really wanted to, you could make it shorter and you could put approximate number of energy drinks purchased. And that makes it a little bit easier to read instead of this whole long sentence. And then you could even cut this down. To approximate number of citrus flavored energy drinks. Let's close that and we'll run it again, see if it works. Ooh. That's weird. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, here we go. So now I made my adjustments, and as you can see, I shortened it so it looks a little bit better to read, easier to read. And there you have it for that one. So we're going to go ahead and print screen of this. And then we'll close out. So project 1. Convert the following pseudocode into Java code. Be sure to declare the appropriate values. I already did this one, so we're going to go ahead and just open it up in NetBeans. Let's see. Alright. No scanner is needed for this one, so we declare and initialize the variables. Throw integers: speed 20, time 10, distance. Now calculate the distance by multiplying speed and time. So distance equals speed times time. Then you get your output. We'll run the file. There you go. Distance is 200. Simple, simple. Alright, so now I'll go to the last one, project number 2. Serenity Booksellers has a book club that awards points to its customers based on the number of books purchased each month. Points are awarded as follows: 0 books, 0 points; 1 book, 5 points; 2 books, 15 points; 3 books, 30 points; 4 books or more, 60 points. Write a program to ask the user to enter the number of books that he or she has purchased this month and then display the number of points awarded. Alright, I got my screenshot. Let's just go over it really quick. Alright, so we're here in NetBeans and we're gonna go over the code real quick. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna try to keep it simple. Okay, so as you can see here, I got my scanner. Got this input, and then I created a scanner object to read the user's input. And then the prompt the user to enter the number of books purchased. So system out, this you already know this is what the user is going to see as soon as he opens the application or starts the program. And we're going to ask for the number of books purchased right here actually. And this is where the user will type in how many they purchased. And this is how the program calculates the number of books purchased. So points awarded is an integer equals 0. If they enter 1, then it's 5 points. Else if they enter 2, it's 15. Else if they enter 3, it's 30. Else if it's greater than or equal to 4, then it's 60 points. So 60 is the max whether you enter 5, 10, or 20 books. And this again is gonna show in our output, and this closes our scanner. So we'll go ahead and run it. Okay, number of books purchased this month, we'll go with 5. And that is incorrect. Oh, actually no, it's correct. So more than 4, it's gonna be 60 points. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. We'll run it again. For some reasons it does this. Uh-oh, what did I do? Hold on. Alright. So run it again. Alright, so we'll do 1 this time. And 5 points awarded, which is correct. So from this we could tell our program is running correctly, and we could close this out. Alright, there you have it. This is a nice, quick, and short video. If you guys want to do this on your own, I recommend that you download the NetBeans program and just copy my code and see and do it for yourself. Get some experience with coding and creating your own projects. That'll be all. If you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, and if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, address them in the comment section. Other than that, I hope you all have a great weekend, and I'm out.